The dragons have returned. Everything changes now.
What you just saw was not real. Yes, that scene was created entirely by AI. No actors, no sets, no VFX, just one prompt. And guess what? I am not real as well.
Yes, and I created these videos by AI in just under 5 minutes. And by the end of this video, you will learn exactly how you can do it on your own. And here I used Kling 2.6, and this just changed the game for content creators. Whether you are making YouTube videos, social media content, ads, or just experimenting with AI. This tool lets anyone create cinematic quality videos that looks like they cost thousands of dollars. And I'm about to walk you through everything, how it works, how to access it, and what exact prompt formula I use. Let's dive in. First, what is Kling 2.6 and why you should care? Kling 2.6 is the newest AI video model that was just dropped last week, and the quality here is insane. Here is what you can do by using this model. You can generate text to video. You literally type what you want and you get the full video. Or you can just give an image and you can get image to video by just giving any picture. It could be a face, a logo, or a piece of art, and Kling brings it to life with perfect lip syncs and expressive facial animation along with ambience aware audio. You can also handle complex lighting, actions, and camera movements. And unlike other video AI models, it's pretty fast. Alright, here is how you can quickly get started. Head to hicksfield.ai. I'll drop the link in the description below. Go to the video section and choose Kling 2.6 AI model. Got it? Cool. Now let's talk about the important part. Your output is 100% dependent on your input. That means garbage in, garbage out, garbage prompt, garbage video. But here's my secret weapon. I don't write prompts manually anymore. I let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting for me. Here is what I do. Open ChatGPT and give some simple prompt like give a short prompt for creating videos using AI video tool of race car passing on the road and only ambience, audio, environment and pure race sound from engine, less than 150 word, no unpredictability. Hit enter. It gave me this prompt. A high-speed car drives past the camera on a straight road. The environment is clear, daytime scene with stable lighting, sharp shadows. Keep all elements consistent and predictable with no random variations. Let's try this. Copy that prompt and get back to Hicksfield. Enter that prompt and make sure you are choosing audio. Here the model is selected Kling 2.6. You can choose any other model, but Kling 2.6 is what we are aiming today. Now you can choose the duration of the video. I want 5 second or 10 second and select the aspect ratio 1:1, 16:9. If you want to make a reel, do 9:16 and then hit generate. While it's generating, you can get back to ChatGPT and say give 2 more prompts with different scenes. So we have one mountain pass scene and then night city street scene. Yeah, this looks good. Let's do this. Get back to Hicksfield and enter this prompt again and hit generate. Now you see parallelly it is going to generate 2 videos. We can go and take this prompt again and hit generate. Now it is parallelly generating 3 videos, 2 in progress, 1 queue. It will be also in progress soon. So this is cool. You can generate multiple videos at the same time. It comes in handy. You can batch your work, be efficient. I guess 2 of the videos are ready. Let's see. I must say, all 3 videos, they were exactly how I imagined. Here's one more video where the driver face is looking in the ORVM. That too I again generated the prompt directly from ChatGPT. Now look at this video, how the expressions are, how the lighting is.
Immediately.
Cool, right? Okay, so look at this one. I tried off-roading prompt and here is the result.
Time to fly.
You saw how it hit the ground, spoiler was shaking and the sound effect changed. That was environment aware and ambience audio for you. Here are some more videos I generated. Nice. Here is one where I just created using image. I just gave it the image from the Game of Thrones scene and it generated the whole video. Just look at this.
The dragons have returned. Everything changes now.
Then we must be ready when the sky burns.
You saw the effect on the sky burn. So I just gave it a JSON prompt. I copied directly from ChatGPT and this is what it created. I should have given some crazy dialogue to our dragon queen. And by the way, this is how people are making videos from different movie scenes like Game of Thrones and Harry Potter and Stranger Things. And now you can create it too just by giving a simple prompt and an image just copied directly from Google search. Look at this. I just copied an image from Google of our beloved Tom Cruise and yeah, sounds so realistic. And that was some flying shot I just created by using one image. Here I tried creating a very fast-paced video with a jump cuts and montage showcasing a lot of different things. Look at this. It was also created with a simple prompt. Here the plate. Look how the static camera position just to show expression.
Hello.
And now let's talk about some of the feature I really appreciate. This AI lip sync video and this ambience audio, it really is very good. And Kling 2.6 doesn't just create videos, it has audios which is context aware. And for content creator, this is gold. Imagine making tutorial, explainer, some character animation, ads, and with realistic speech and sound. And now let's see how much does it cost. So if you head to pricing section, you will see they have bunch of plans you can pick. They have some offers going on for the unlimited access of Nano Banana Pro and Kling 2.6. Here you get a lot of other models as well, like Kling 01, Flux X2, and a lot of more credits in your creator plan. So if you're serious about AI videos, whether for YouTube, your clients, or some social content, they have quite a generous plan you can use. And that's it. This is how you go from zero to creating a movie level AI videos in minute. If you want me to make a part 2 where I show you how to create AI talking avatar, how to animate your face, how to turn your entire scripts into multi-scene film, drop a comment below and I will get to it. And if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I drop AI tutorials, automation workflows, and productivity tools every single week. Thanks for watching. Now go create something insane and I will see you in the next one.
Stay tuned for more adventures.
Exactly.